Have you ever wanted to set the favicon on your website, but you didn't want to have to go through the hassle of actually making a quick icon, especially since you're just making a quick web page for either a client or for personal use, but it's not something that you really are totally dedicated to making icons for? Well, of course, we can use a lot of different SVGs or other icons that are available, or we can just use Unicode characters. In fact, this code is code that will replace this favicon with whatever this character is. What is this character, for instance? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the JavaScript console. So let me open that over here. I'll make this a little bit bigger so everybody can see it. Now I'm going to do a console.log. What is this going to print out? Oh, it looks like it's the key and lock, right? So we can see that that's what that is right there. Uh, but will this really print this key and lock as the favicon? Well, it will. And why will it do that? We go back to the code. We have it. This is the constant, of course. This is going to be referred to later in the code. The first thing that this is doing is just getting rid of anything that looks like it would be making a favicon or the icon that's going to appear for the web page in the tab. And then we're just making a quick canvas. And then after that, we are going to um, add that Unicode character to the canvas, print it out in there, and then get the image PNG as a data URL and set it as the link element that would represent the favicon, that icon that's going to appear in the top left. So will it really work? Let's try it. In fact, let's just try right here in GitHub's page. Of course, this is something that you would add to your page, and you would probably add it to along with the actual declaration and putting it inside of this event. But we don't need it in this case. All we need is the body of the function. So let's go ahead, copy it. We're going to use it now. And we already know that this is what's supposed to appear here. Let's run it. Hit enter, and you can see that that is what got replaced. It replaced what the original icon was. This is the original icon with this one. So feel free, I'm going to add this link to this video description, but feel free to use it to rework the code to make it even better. But this is a very quick way to just turn a Unicode emoji into a favicon for your website or your web page.